Hey, have you all ever thought about making a retirement balloon bouquet for someone who is retiring, either a family member, a friend, or either a coworker? If this is something that interests you, then stay tuned because I will be making a balloon bouquet for one of my coworkers. Hey everyone, this is Aisha of Elaborate Designs by Aisha, and welcome back to my channel. Here on my channel, you will see event decor designs, you will see balloon designs, and you will also see tablescapes. So today I will be making a retirement balloon bouquet for one of my coworkers. She will be retiring after 14 years of service, and I just wanted to show her my appreciation. So I'm going to show you what is needed in case you would like to make a retirement balloon for someone, a balloon bouquet for someone. So I purchased these officially retired balloons, and these came from Party City. And as you see, there are 15 balloons, and they are 12 inches, and they come in different colors. All right. I also purchased these numbers from Party City, and I know I could have got these from Dollar Tree, but since I was in Party City, I went ahead and got these, and it's a 1 and a 4. She's retiring after 14 years of service, so I wanted to add this to her balloon bouquet. All right. I also purchased these balloons. I purchased a purple balloon, which is 15 balloons. I purchased the yellow 5-inch balloons, and I also already had these silver balloons here that I got from Walmart. So I will have a combination of Party City and Walmart balloons. All right, and I may add this gold star. I'm not sure yet if I will be adding this, but we'll see. All right, so let's get started. So I'm gonna start with the yellow the purple 12-inch balloons. Go ahead and blow them up. And if you want to know how to make a balloon garland, then I will link my how to make a balloon garland video right here in the card section as well as in the description box. So make sure you go and check out that video. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and start constructing my balloon bouquet. And I've blown up some purple balloons as well as the silver ones. So I'm going to go ahead and just take them and construct them. I also have a tutorial where I did another balloon bouquet for Mother's Day that I will be linking in the card section as well as in the description box. So you just go and check out that video also. But what I'm going to be doing here, I'm just going to be putting these together in quads and 4s here, and I'm just gonna flatten them out. All right, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my silver balloons directly on top of the purple ones, except I'm gonna go in this way like this. Okay, so what I decided to do just to make sure it stay, because I don't want it coming apart on her, is just taking my fishing line and just wrapping it around the bottom, the purple balloon here. Okay, and tying it. All right, and then I'm just gonna come and just wrap it around the silver balloons, just like I would do when I'm making a actual garland. All right, I'm just gonna do it just like this, just to make sure that the balloons do not come apart. Alright, just laying it back out. And here's my fishing line right here. On your balloons, just take your string. Alright, just gonna find me a spot. right here on top. I'm gonna find me a spot here and just add it to the spot that I choose here, and just wrap my fishing line around each of the balloons to give it some support. Alright, so now I am done with the purple and the silver, as you see right here. Hold it up. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and blow up my officially retired balloons. And I don't think I'm going to use all 15 of them, but I will be using some of them. Then I'm going to choose the colors that I'm going to add to this. Alright? Alright, so let's see how this looks. Show you how it looks before I tie it. Alright, and that's how it looks. Officially retired. Alright, so I'm going to add them here. But first, I'm going to tie them. Alright, so what I'm going to do, I decided to do is to add the officially retired balloons right in here. And I don't have helium. Helium is what makes the balloons float. So I'm going to have to kind of wrap it around these balloons here just to make it stand up some. So yeah, so I'm gonna kind of play around with this a little bit to see how I like it. So just to make sure I want it right in this area, and I think that's going to be super cute once I put everything else there. All right, so I think I'm going to kind of snug it in there a little bit more. Okay. Alright. So yeah, I think I like that right in this area. So now I'm going to take my purple balloon and just do the same thing here on this side. See how that looks. I think that is super cute. I can turn it around. Yeah. And I'm going to fix it once I finish it up. Alright, so now I have the number balloons, and this is the number 4, and I have the number 1 over here. So all I'm going to do is just use my hand pump to blow these up. So I'm just going to insert it right here. Okay. And now just pump, pump, pump. Alright. Alright. And this is the way the number 4 looks, just like this. And I'm going to add it to the balloon bouquet. So now I'm going to go ahead and blow up my number 1. Alright, so I'm going to get my number 1 out and go ahead and use my hand pump to blow it up also. If I can find where it goes in here. Okay. Alright. And here's my number 1. Whoop. Like I said, it's the number 14. So now what I'm going to do for this, I have some smaller balloons, which are called like 260 balloons that I purchased from, I actually got these from the Dollar Tree. No, wait a minute, these came from Walmart, I'm sorry. From Walmart. So I'm just going to be attaching them using one of these. Okay, so I'm just going to add, I cut a 260 in half, and I'm just going to wrap it right here in this little area here. Alright. Okay, and that's how I did it, just like so. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to tie it. I'm going to take it and put it in this area. You can see I'm going to put it right here on this silver one, and I'm going to add some glue dots once I finish with that, just to make sure it stays, okay? All right, everyone, so I have went ahead and finished this retirement balloon garland, and as you see, all I did was go ahead and add my 1 and my 4 right here, and I added it using glue dots and a 260, all right? And you all see me add the official retired balloons, the purple and the yellow. And all I did also was add, I added some 5-inch balloons right here on the side, and I just added them using 260s also. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add a balloon weight at the bottom just to hold it down. So when I give it to her, you know, it won't tilt or anything. So this is the balloon garland that I will be giving to her for her retirement. And don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope that you all have liked this video. All right, you all have an amazing day, and I will see you all in my next video.